This video will show you how to upload data into a data worksheet so that you can then perform other manipulations such as filtering or grouping, or mash up the data with other data sets. To upload data into a data worksheet, press the Create button in the user portal and select Data Worksheet. At the prompt, select Upload File. Then choose the file that you want to upload. In this case, we'll select an Excel file called divisions.xlsx. This file contains some data related to divisions of the United States. Check the preview to confirm that the data is as you expect it to be. Then press OK. Provide a name for the new data worksheet and press OK. This creates a new data block in a new data worksheet. You can see the data in the data block in the bottom panel. However, note that the data in this data block is not editable. If you want to be able to edit the data in the data block, right-click on the data block and select Convert to Embedded Table. This creates a copy of the data block that you will be able to edit. To edit the data in the embedded table, press the Change View button in the mini toolbar and select Edit. You can now modify the data in this data block as desired. For example, we might make changes to some of these labels. The data in the embedded table is saved together with the data worksheet. If you no longer need the original data block, you can delete it. Note that because this is the primary data block, you will get a warning message. And after you delete that data block, you can now make the embedded table the primary data block. If you want to add additional rows of data, you can do this by right-clicking in the bottom panel and selecting Insert Row or Append Row, or if you want to remove rows, you can select Remove Row. If you want to add a larger number of rows, the easier way to do this is to right-click on the data block and select Properties, and then set the row count to something larger. You can then add the additional data in the rows that have been added. Again, any data that you add into this embedded table is saved together with the data worksheet.